leadership requires an ongoing system maintenance, just like your car does. In education, we don't have the luxury of having a dashboard with warning lights, do we? Like your car does. That dashboard, that's what FRIL does. It operates as your dashboard to give you some indicators of where to look in your systems to fix the alignment. So think of it this way. When your check engine light comes on, the first thing you know to do is what? Check engine light comes on, you ignore it. Or you get it serviced. Most people at least will know to check their oil. Is the oil level okay? I look under my car. Is it leaking anywhere? Nope. Then I ignore it because the oil seems fine. Yeah, the engine's not going to seize anytime. So we ignore it, thinking maybe it was just a little glitch. Maybe I had a little misfire or something. And usually that is what it is. But occasionally you wait a few weeks or a few months, and then all of a sudden your engine's knocking or it's rattling. And so then you take it in to get it serviced. And the mechanic, he has the tools and the diagnostic tools and the expertise to find out what's going inside the system that we can't see or hear. That's what FRIL does. It doesn't check for compliance, though. It checks for coherence. How is everything operating together? And it helps identify and break things down for us. In that blueprinting process, it helps us design a disciplined action plan that is living and breathing and iterative. It allows us to plan to protect instruction, even in challenging times.